If you're looking to lose weight and improve your health, reducing your carbohydrate intake is important. Junk foods that are high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars can lead to inflammation in the body, including the liver, which can result in increased body fat. Over time, this can contribute to various health issues such as diabetes, weight gain, obesity, nerve damage, heart attacks, strokes, and more. In this video, I will provide you with a list of the top 12 healthy foods that are low in carbs and sugars, less than 3 grams. Incorporating these foods into your diet can provide your body with essential nutrients and support natural healing. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if you have any medical conditions. Number 1. Eggs. 0.6 grams carbs per egg. Pasture-raised eggs are an excellent source of essential nutrients and contain minimal carbohydrates. They are rich in choline and lecithin, which can aid in fat breakdown in the liver and support weight loss. Eggs are also packed with protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that promote cell growth and healing. Consuming 2 to 4 eggs per day can enhance your nutrition, keep you feeling full, focused, and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Number 2. Kale. 0 grams digestible carbs. Organic kale is a nutrient-dense superfood. This leafy green vegetable contains twice the amount of vitamin C compared to oranges, more calcium than milk, and higher potassium content than bananas. Adding lightly steamed kale as a side dish or incorporating it into your daily smoothies can lead to significant health improvements. Kale has no starch or sugars, only beneficial dietary fiber. Number 3. Red meats. 0 grams carbs. Opt for high-quality, grass-fed animal meats such as beef, lamb, and organ meats. These protein sources are essential for building strong, healthy muscles and provide bioavailable iron and vitamin B12. They contain no carbohydrates and supply energy to the body. Number 4. Cheese. 0.4 grams carbs per 1 ounce. Cheese, particularly high-quality varieties from grass-fed cows or goats, is a healthy source of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K2. Consuming cheese supports calcium absorption, benefiting your bones, teeth, and nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins that can improve brain health and concentration. Recommended options include cheddar, camembert, halloumi, brie, goat cheese, and mozzarella. If you find this information helpful, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications to stay updated on our health channel. Number 5. Pecan nuts. 1 gram net carbs per 1 ounce. Pecans have a low net carb content but are rich in soluble fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels. They are also high in zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and monounsaturated fats, which contribute to satiety and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Enjoy a small handful of pecans after a meal or combine them with sugar-free dark chocolate, 70%. Number 6. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. 0 grams digestible carbs. When improving your health or losing weight, it's essential to include leafy greens from the cruciferous family, such as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, arugula, and collard greens. These vegetables are packed with phytochemicals that aid liver detoxification. They provide potassium and magnesium, vital minerals for lowering insulin resistance and promoting fat burning. Number 7. Wild salmon. 0-0.1 grams carbs per 3 ounces. Oily fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are excellent sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids when following a low-carb diet. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation throughout the body and reverse oxidative damage caused by a high-sugar diet. Avoid farmed fish, as they contain antibiotics, synthetic food coloring agents, and inadequate nutrient content. Number 8. Butter. 0.1 grams carbs per 100 g. Pure butter that hasn't been blended with vegetable oil is a healthy source of retinol, which supports eye, skin, and hair health. Contrary to its reputation, the cholesterol in butter is necessary for hormone production and balance, aiding in weight loss. Replace inflammatory oils with real butter when cooking to strengthen bones, reduce cravings, and support bile release from the gallbladder for fat breakdown. Number 9. Sauerkraut. 0.1 grams net carbs per 1 ounce. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage, is a rich source of vitamin C and probiotics. Consuming sauerkraut 2 to 3 times per week increases friendly bacteria in your body, supporting gut health and lowering blood sugar levels for weight loss. It's easily digestible, making it suitable for individuals with digestive issues like acid reflux, IBS, Crohn's, or diverticulitis. The prebiotic fiber in sauerkraut promotes colon cell healing. Number 10. Avocados. 0-4 grams, and olive oil, 0 grams. Incorporate avocados and extra virgin olive oil into your diet when reducing carbs and sugars. These healthy fats help control appetite and provide fuel to your cells. Avocados are nutrient-dense, rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, magnesium, and avocatin B, all of which enhance hormone balance, improve insulin resistance, and support fat metabolism. Extra virgin olive oil is an anti-inflammatory ingredient containing chemicals like oleocanthal and oloropion, which promote pain relief, reduce swelling, joint pain, and support liver health. Number 11. Nutritional yeast. When dieting or engaging in intense exercise, your body depletes its B vitamin stores, which can result in weakness, fatigue, and mood disorders. Incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast into your daily meals is an excellent way to replenish your B vitamins. Nutritional yeast is rich in the B vitamin complex, supporting metabolism, reducing cortisol, stress hormone, and facilitating healthy weight loss. Number 12. Herbs. 0 grams, and spices. 1-3 grams carbs per teaspoon. To promote healing and weight loss, incorporate freshly chopped herbs into your salads daily. Mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme are among the best options. These herbs contain no starches but are packed with healing antioxidants and phytonutrients that support weight loss and blood sugar management. Additionally, spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, and ginger are powerful natural healers that repair the liver, pancreas, and digestive organs. While spices contain a small amount of carbs, the benefits they provide are significant, and they add delicious flavors to your meals. Incorporating a variety of these foods instead of carbohydrates can enhance your body's fat-burning capabilities and promote cellular healing. It's crucial to choose high-quality, grass-fed and grass-finished meats, wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, and organic vegetables to avoid hormones, antibiotics, and harmful pesticides that can damage your health. If your goal is to lose weight quickly, consider implementing the following techniques. Number 1. Perform intermittent fasting 2 to 4 days per week, eating all your calories within a 5-hour window and fasting for 19 hours. Intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, allowing for increased fat burning and triggering cellular autophagy, the process of removing damaged cells. Number 2. Take a digestive enzyme supplement before each meal, preferably one that contains bile, pancreatin, and betaine HCl. These ingredients support gallbladder and pancreatic function, aiding in fat breakdown and digestive system cleansing. Number 3. Avoid starchy, sugary, and processed carbohydrates like bread, cereal, pasta, rice, biscuits, potatoes, soda, and donuts. These foods raise insulin and blood sugar levels, hindering weight loss. Number 4. Increase consumption of healthy fats like avocados, eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and raw coconut oil. These fats help transition your body from burning glucose, sugar, to burning body fat, adipose tissue. Number 5. Manage stress levels, as elevated cortisol levels can contribute to weight gain. Engage in activities like long walks in nature, prioritize sufficient sleep, and practice deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and balance hormones. Number 6. Drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water per day, avoiding tap water that may contain unhealthy forms of estrogen. Choose bottled water from natural sources rich in minerals, such as Evian, San Pellegrino, or Fiji water. Remember, these recommendations are for informational purposes only. If you have any medical conditions, consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes. Wishing you great health, wealth, and happiness.